guys, welcome back to the iOS developer, and today I'm going to review the Tecknet Arctrix 105 key mechanical keyboard. As you can see, it's got the full keyboard here, 105 keys with the main area here for typing, arrow keys, and the extra keypad. And there's the Tecknet logo. Every mechanical keyboard kind of has its own unique sound. So this is the sound of the Tecknet. Enter, arrow keys, and just type in keys. It's quite a heavy keyboard, weighing at about 1.1 kilograms. Looking at the back here, there's a foot that you can pop up or down, and notice how it has a rubber grip on the foot and also on the back. The last thing to mention is obviously the LED colors. They're mainly white, red, orange, green, blue, and purple, and you can choose to mix them or just have one color the whole time, or turn off the colors completely if you want.